Today's video is for all the blush beginner out there, or honestly, anyone who wants to level up their blush game. We are going to talk about type of blush and which suits your skin type, how to apply different formula for natural seamless finish, the most popular blush placement and trends, and how to create different moods with just one product. Hi everyone, I'm Angie and welcome to my channel where we talk makeup, skincare and all things pretty. If that's your vibe, go ahead and click that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so you never miss a new upload. A quick disclaimer, I don't believe blush placement has to follow a strict face shape rules. It's really about the look you're going for and what feels good to you. Let's begin with the different types of blush because not every formula is for every skin type. Powder blush is best for oily and combination skin type. It helps absorb the excess oil and stays put longer throughout the day. Next is cream or liquid blush. Perfect for dry to normal skin. These formulas give more dewy skin-like finish. As someone with dry skin, I personally love cream and liquid blushes that gives hydrated, natural-looking flush. Here's how to find your blush point. Hold a thin brush vertically at the outer corner of your eye, then horizontal right above the tip of your nose. Then the point where this line intersects on your cheek is natural high point. Now, I always say this, do not apply the liquid blush directly to your face. Dispense a small amount on the back of your hand. Use a brush to pick it up and coat the bristle evenly. Tap and blend on your cheek for that smooth and natural finish. This is how you normally apply the blush. But if you blend a bit of a blush near the outer corner of the eyes, it creates this lifted, youthful, soft focus look that just brightens the whole face. If you over apply the blush, don't worry, just grab your foundation brush, no extra product needed, and lightly tap over the edges to tone it down. After that, you're gonna set it with a powder blush in a similar shade. It locks the color in and gives you that beautiful blur finish. If you want your face to look fuller, then here's what you're gonna do. Start your blush closer to the center of the face and about at the side of your nose. Blend the blush inward, creating a soft curve. Highlight the front of your cheek to emphasize the fullness and glow. This method adds volume to the face, which is especially great if you like your face looking fuller and plump. Now for the sun-kissed flush look, I'm using a new balm blush today. For that, I'm gonna use a finger. Here's what you're gonna do. Apply the W shape starting from one cheek across the nose and onto the other cheek. Think of it like a double V. This technique also shortens the appearance of a long face by drawing attention to the center. For the under eye blush trend, I'm using a purple blush. Apply the blush right under your lower lash line, but stay above your high points of your cheeks. Softly blend. I like to use the light purple to blend the edges. If you wear glasses on this look, the blush will peek through and gives your lens that rosy, thin, very dreamy and soft effect, which I love. Let's wrap up with a boyfriend blush. This one gives you that naturally flushed, I didn't try but I look cute vibe. It's similar to under eye blush but blended differently. Start at your blush point like before, blend it downward and connect to the side of your face and the lower cheek. The key is not lifting, just softly dragging it down for a gentle flush. Make sure to use a liquid formula for more realistic skin-like finish, especially if you have dry skin like me. For oily skin, you can use the powder. And that's our boyfriend blush. Here's a wrap on everything blush, from choosing the right formula to applying like a pro and experimenting with placement to change your vibe. Which blush technique are you most excited to try? If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with a friend who is just starting their makeup journey. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay pretty. Bye.